So 7th class, yesterday you appear for the test of chapter 9. So I am discussing the answer key so that you can get to know your mistakes. Okay. First question was Photoshop was developed by. Photoshop was developed by. It was first is Adobe. The correct answer was Adobe. Okay. Then moving to the second MCQ, who developed Adobe Photoshop first program display program? It was C option, Thomas Knoll. It was C option, Thomas Knoll. Then third question, what is the full form of CMYK? It is the last option, cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, that is black. Okay, that is black. So the last option was the correct answer. Then number 4. In the abbreviation RGB, letter G stands for green. It was A option, green. Right? Then fifth question, identify the color modes from the following options. When you have check boxes, it means there can be multiple answers. When you have radio button, that is only one answer is correct. But when you have check box, it means there can be multiple answers there. So it was bitmap. Then it was grayscale. Then it was RGB. So 3 options were correct here. Okay. Got it? Then 6th question. Identify paint and retouching tools from the selection tool. So paint and retouching tool were spot healing. Then it was your stamp tool. Then it was your dodge tool. And it was your gradient tool. These were the correct options of the 6th question. Okay, got it? Then moving to the 7th question. In order to insert an image, which command is appropriate? When you are to insert image, okay, that time we click on the file menu and we choose the place option. So C option was correct. File and place option. Okay. Then 8th, the extension of the file saved in Photoshop is B option .psd. It was B option .psd. Then 9th question. Identify selection tools from the following options. Now from the given options, you have to select the selection tool. So they were marquee tool. It was lasso tool. It was crop tool. So these were the options that you find in your 9th question. Then 10th question, the shortcut key to use magic wand tool is W. W is the shortcut key for magic wand tool. Then 11th question, shortcut key for crop is C. Shortcut key for crop is C. Then 12th question, the tool which is used to select part of an image along the outside boundaries of the image. It is magnetic lasso tool. Then next we have is 13th question. Which tool is used to select the adjacent part of an image with the same color? It is magic wand tool. Right? So that was all for your yesterday's test. Okay. And I have discussed the answers with you. Right? So I hope those who are getting the full marks, they have gained more confidence. Right? All right. So that was for the chapter 9. Now we are to proceed for the revision of chapter 7. Chapter 7 is your HTML chapter. Okay. So I am starting the revision from the 7th chapter, that is HTML. Okay. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, right? That is the language used to develop the web pages, right? The language used to develop the web pages. Clear? Now, what are the features of or the characteristics of HTML? Features of HTML. Features are, it is used to create websites. Clear? Then it is platform independent. Okay. Then it is not case sensitive. Clear to all? Then you can say it is used to create hypertext and hyperlinks. Clear to all? What are the features of HTML? Now you need to have a text editor if you want to type the coding of HTML. So what are the various examples of text editor? Notepad, Notepad++, Notepad 2. Okay. WordPad is not a text editor. So don't consider WordPad here. WordPad को हम text editor नहीं मानते. So don't include WordPad over here. Right? So another example is gedit. These all are the examples of text editors. Right? Now I type a very simple web page in front of you so that you get familiar with the HTML coding. Before that, I would like to tell you about the commands, about the tags that we used in HTML, right? Now in HTML, the commands are known as tags. Okay. And when we specify some properties of these tags, those properties are called as attributes. There are two types of tags, container tag and there is empty tag. What are container tags? Container tags are those tags which have both opening and closing tag. Container tags are those tags which have both opening as well as closing tag. Okay. For example, you have head tag, you have body tag, you have HTML tag, you have H1 tag, you have paragraph tag, you have font tag. All these are examples of container tags. इनका opening tag भी है, parallel they have the closing tag also, right? Then we have the concept of empty tags. Empty tags are those tags which have only opening tag but no closing tag. They have only opening tag but there is no closing tag. For example, IMG, image tag, it is empty. Then you have HR tag, horizontal rule, it is also empty. Then you have BR tag, break, it is also empty. Then you have list item, it is also empty. Okay. So IMG stands for your image tag. Then HR stands for horizontal rule, and your BR stands for break, and your LI stands for list item. So these are the empty tags. Okay, got it? Then there are some structural tags and there are some formatting tags. Okay, got it? So structural tags में आपके कवर हो गए HTML, head, title and body. These four are the structural tags, or we call them as basic tags, right? Rest of the tags, they are formatting: bold tag, your italic tag, your underline tag, right? Your font tag, image tag, table tag. All these tags that help us to format the web page, they come under the category of formatting tags, right? So let us start the simple web page. Every HTML document starts with HTML tag. The very first tag that you include in your web page coding is HTML tag. The very first tag. Okay. Got it, all of you? Then it is followed by the head tag. HTML tag, it marks the beginning and ending of HTML document. The head tag, it is used to enclose the title of the web page, plus it defines the style description that we are using. The head tag encloses the title tag and head tag defines the style descriptions used for the web page. So इसी के अंदर हमारा title tag आएगा. Whatever you are writing in the title tag, it won't be displayed in the web page, in the monitor screen. The title will be only visible in the title bar of the browser window. Whatever you will type in the title tag, it won't be displayed as a part of the web page. Rather, the title will be shown to the title bar. So I give title here revision and I close the title tag. While closing the tag, you have to put this forward slash. For closing the tag, you have to put this forward slash. Okay. Then close the head tag. Right up till here. Any queries, any doubt? Now, after this, we have another structural tag that is called body. Now, it is up to you whether you want to give any color to the background or not. If you do not want to display the background in any color, you simply write the body tag. But if you want that in the background, white color should be displayed, or sorry, red or yellow color displayed, then you have to add one special attribute of body tag, that is BG color. The attribute of tags only and only appear in the opening tag. अगर किसी टैग का एट्रीब्यूट है तो वो ओपनिंग टैग में ही आ सकता है, क्लोजिंग टैग में कभी भी कोई एट्रीब्यूट नहीं आता. There is no such attribute that comes in the closing tag. Attributes are always inside the opening tag. Now here, if you want to give the background color yellow to your web page, the command is body BG color equal to yellow. Okay, what if I want gray color in the background? Who will tell the command? I want to have gray color in the background. Yes, Shreya, unmute yourself.
Body BG color equal to gray.
Body BG color equal to gray. Check out the spelling of gray. Gray. Body BG color equal to gray. And remember one thing, while writing the BG color attribute, provide some space after the tag. ओपनिंग टैग के अंदर एट्रीब्यूट्स आते हैं और ओपनिंग टैग लिखकर थोड़ी सी स्पेस छोड़नी है, देन राइट द एट्रीब्यूट नेम. राइट? एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल? ऑल राइट. दिस इज रॉन्ग. अगर ऐसे करोगे तो ये गलत है, ये गलत है. थोड़ी स्पेस देनी है. ओके, clear? Now I have to write the heading here, HTML chapter HTML. That is the heading. For highest heading, you take H1, heading element 1. If H1 is larger, which is smaller? Yes, Prerna.
H6.
H6 is the lowest, H1 is the highest. Very good. So you want to bring your heading in the center. तो पहला सॉल्यूशन क्या है? हेडिंग एलिमेंट्स चाहे H1 है, चाहे H2 है, चाहे H3 है, चाहे H4 है, चाहे H5, चाहे H6. Every heading takes into consideration the align attribute. हेडिंग एलिमेंट का एक एट्रीब्यूट होता है अलाइन. Align equal to center. See the spelling of center. Check out the spelling of center. Okay. Now write the heading here. Welcome to 7th C. Oh, राइट एक तो आपकी हेडिंग सेंटर में आ गई और आपकी हेडिंग H1 में है, प्रोमिनेंट हेडिंग है आपकी, हेडिंग इज प्रोमिनेंट एंड close the H1 tag over here. Close the H1 tag over here. Clear to everyone? Up till here, any doubt? Now leave one line. Okay. And you write the subject names, all subject that you are having. Okay. So I am taking H2. 1 dot English, 2 dot science, 3rd dot social studies, 4th is your Hindi, 5th is your computer, and 6th is your Punjabi. Okay, got it? Now, अभी अगर आप ऐसे लिस्ट बनाओगे ना 1 2 3 खुद से लगाओगे, all these subjects will not come under different line, rather they all will be appearing in the same line. These options which you have just written, they will not appear on the screen in proper list form, right? अगर आपको लिस्ट की फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले करवाने हैं तो आपको स्पेशल एक टैग लेना पड़ेगा जिसे हम कहते हैं यूएल टैग, राइट? जिसे हम कहते हैं यूएल टैग, राइट? क्लियर? बट right now if you want that list should appear in this form only, you don't want to use the list, still you want that they should come in the next line, you apply BR. You apply BR. Okay? Got it? So there are two ways. There are two ways you can display the list in separate lines. Either you apply BR after every option. Either you take list tag, UL list, OL list, that you will study in the higher class. Okay? That you will study in the higher class. राइट? अभी मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने हर ऑप्शन के बाद BR लगा दिया. I have applied BR after every option. And here I close the H2. Here I close the body tag. And here I close the HTML tag. Right? So let us save this web page. I'm saving in documents. 7th C revision 1.html. Okay, so let us see the browser view of it. Check it out. Check the browser view. Is the browser view visible to all? Is the browser view visible to everyone? Okay. Now in this coding, what changes you can make? You can underline your heading by applying underline tag. Okay, got it? You can apply color to it. Font color equal to green. In order to provide color, style, and size of the text, you have to use the font tag. अब साइज तो मैं H1 दे चुका हूं, साइज तो मैंने पहले ही उसको H1 बोल दिया है, H1 the highest heading element. Now if you want to give color, you have to take separately the font tag, and color is the attribute of font tag. This color will help welcome to 7C display in green color, and close the font tag over here. Check it. Heading has become underlined. Heading has been changed to green color. All of you, please check it. Heading is now in green color and heading is underlined. Clear? Now, if you want to give the color of subjects to red, we can click here. We can write font color equal to red. We can write font color equal to red, and we can close the font tag over here. So save the web page and come to the browser view. Check it out. अभी ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स भी अंडरलाइन आ रहे हैं. Okay, all subjects are coming underlined because I have not closed this underline tag. तो इसको यहां पे बंद कर दो font tag के बाद. Clear to everyone? The simplest web page. I am showing coding to you. All of you read the coding carefully. Don't cram it. Don't cram the coding. Just be a good observer and try to understand the concept. Clear to all? How to open tag, how to close the tag, how to apply the properties. These are the structural tags. These four are the structural tags. Clear है जी? Any questions here? Any doubt to any child? Any doubt to any child? No? All right. I just make another web page. Okay. Now in this web page, what I will do, I will write one sentence in different heading elements. Okay, H3, H4, H5, clear? Check it. Clear to everyone? All the possible heading I have shown. एक और रहेगी, वो भी ऐड कर लो. ठीक है. ये मैंने सारे कलर चेंज कर दिए हैं. ये देखो. Clear to everyone now? Any doubt, any queries? Again, I'm revising the chapter from the beginning. So, ध्यान से समझो कोडिंग को. Okay? Any doubt? Clear to all? सेवंथ बी क्लास, आपको कोई डाउट हो?